Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we'll go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell, and open it. I'm clicking on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Our next command is get process. Get process command in PowerShell will retrieve information about running process on Windows system. It provides a list of currently running processes, including their name, process ID, memory usage, and other details. If you give a get process, it will display the running process information like this. Now we'll see the same in PowerShell. Get process. I'm pressing enter. So it will list all the running processes in system. If we go top, see, we are able to see the details in the table format. Process name, process ID, memory details, CPU details. It is showing. To get any specific process information, we can give get process hyphen name, like for example PowerShell I'm giving. If we give a specific name, it will return that specific process information. This is the process name, process ID, and the details. We can also get the process information by providing ID as well. For that, get hyphen process hyphen name. Sorry, we are checking for ID, right? So we have to give ID, and we need to give ID here. So if we give ID, also it will give that specific process information with that ID. We will see whether we can get a multiple process information at a time or not. Process hyphen name will give PowerShell, comma will give Notepad, we'll see. So if we give, we can also get multiple process information at a time as well. We'll add Excel as well and see. See, we can give proper names and we can get those process information. Similar way, we'll try to get a process information by giving ID. If you press up arrow in the keyboard, you can see the old commands which we typed already. See, I'm seeing old commands here. Okay. So don't confuse if you suddenly see any command, previous commands, so don't confuse because I'm pressing up arrows. So instead of typing everything, I just added at the end. So now I'm adding IDs here. So now first one is the PowerShell process ID. The second one is Excel. Third one is Notepad. We'll see. See, we can get the process information by giving process name or process ID. If you are giving ID, you have to mention hyphen ID. If you are giving a name, you have to mention hyphen name. This way we can get process information which are running in a current system. If you want to get a specific column information also, we can retrieve it. Get hyphen process. I'm giving select object and I'm looking for name, ID and CPU. So we are getting for all. See here, we are getting a name, ID and CPU. But we didn't mention to which process. That's why it is giving complete details which are running in current system. So now we will give PowerShell, Notepad, Excel. So now we are able to see we are asking to get the process information of PowerShell, Notepad and Excel. And we're asking to display these three columns alone: name, ID, CPU. So it is showing name, process ID, and process CPU details, CPU utilization details. This is all about get process.